Okay, guys, in today's video, we'll be checking out this setup and we have been using it to trade the trend to milk the market for a very long time. Okay, we will be checking it out from the daily time frame, then downward. Okay, so that we will see how we can connect the time frame with the trend trading strategy. Okay, so this is very important and it's going to help you to improve your trading activities. We tried this out and of course it's worked out for us. Okay, so just sit tight and watch this video to the end. You're going to love every bit of it. Okay, so quickly before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and of course if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this, okay? And if you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. So let's go straight into what we have right here, okay? So this is an asset called Paynex 1200, and of course I'm on daily time frame, okay? Right here on daily time frame, don't mind my setup. I'm having a custom made indicator on it. Okay, if you're having, you should understand the kind of indicator I'm having on this. Okay, so in order for me to have a clearer view of what the market is giving to us or the direction of the trend, although my trading indicator is also going to direct me even if I'm on lower time frame. Okay, but I just want to have a general view, or probably when we have got into a very strong region, okay, like the support region or the resistance region. Okay, so I decided to do something, okay, to make my work very easy. Okay, so I decided to come to daily time frame. Okay, on daily time frame, you can see the yellow horizontal line at the top and the one at the last part of the page. Okay, bottom part of the page. Okay, so those are regions on daily time frame for my support and resistance zone. Okay, then you can see these blue lines. I mean, these two blue horizontal lines, this and this. Those are my regions for my resistance and support zone on 4-hour time frame. Okay, okay. All these green lines are places where I actually took trades in my TPs. Okay, so I'm going to show you how that works. Okay, so when this particular asset moved up, okay, let me show you this. Okay, something happened right here when it got to this particular support region um on daily time frame. I knew it was a very strong support region, so it's going to buy. So you can start buying from here and can buy for a very long time, and if you close the market, you can analyze the market within the range, I mean the region where you find the market each time you want to go into the market. Okay, so this is very important. And of course, if you had come in around here, this will have given you opportunity to be in a lot of profit. You can imagine you coming in right from here and it has got into this region. All you just need to do is just to trail the market using a stop loss. Okay, and of course that will lock off some part of your profit, and you can still be on till it goes to this particular range or till you are tired of making more profits with the market. Okay, so this is very important. Then at this point, and if you should also notice, guys, if you should notice, my indicator also switched from a downtrend into an uptrend at this point, and of course give us a buy signal and give us an opportunity to buy for a very long time also. So the same thing is applicable to when it got to the resistance zone at the top right here. It's a major resistance zone because the resistance zone is from the daily time frame. So, and it respected it, and of course my indicator also did the same thing, and it started selling right from there. Of course, there will be pullbacks in between, but if you had come in right from the beginning, you would have been in a lot of profit. Okay, now something happened. It sold till it got to the support region on H4. Okay, the support region on H4. Okay, you can see it right from there. So if I should go there, let me go to H4 because I'm on daily time frame at the moment. You can see it right there. It got there. Okay, when it got there, I knew it's going to be a major support region. Okay, because it is from the H4 time frame also. Okay, So when it got there, um, even if it's going to break it, it should pull back a bit, okay? And it pulled back, but it was unable to break it because it's happened to be a major support region and traded for a while. I remember we milked all this region during that time, okay? So I decided to draw out a trend line, even though it went below it a bit at this point, okay? But later on went back up and got to this particular region. When it came to this particular region, I knew it's going to buy. So it started trading before I got to know that. So I had to draw out this trend line to know when it will break out from there. When it broke out from there, then it gave us more trading opportunity. Okay. Yesterday, when it got around there and it had a major pullback, I had to draw another trend line set out an entry point, a stop loss, and some TPs. And as you can see, it has achieved those TPs. I did all these on H1. Okay, let's see then. Okay, okay, you can see it's now clearer on H1. You can see this. Okay, this is the support region. I mean, this is the stop loss, the entry point, TP1, TP2, TP3, and TP4, and it's achieved all. So that is how amazing it is. So if you should notice, this had been on option right from here after getting to this support region. It has been buying since then, and my indicator also indicated that. And of course, it's been more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So you can see that the trend trading strategy is actually a strategy that actually works out, and you can use the highlighted areas on the daily time frame, the 4 hours time frame, to know a very strong support region and a very strong resistance region, so that you can be well guided, and of course you will know the direction of the market right from there. Okay, I hope you have learned some things right from this video. Okay, so you can do that right away on your chart, and this will give you a better knowledge of how it was. If you should notice, I use different colors to identify all these. Okay, I use yellow color for support and resistance zone on daily time frame, then I use blue color or aqua blue color for support and resistance zone on H4 time frame. Those are the two time frame which I highlighted all those sections because they are very, very important. Okay, so I now pick my trade on H1. I do my analysis most of the time on H1 and I pick my trade, or sometimes I move down to 15 minutes time frame to pick my trade. Okay, so it all depends on how I want to go about it. So it is as simple as that. Okay, so you guys can also try this out and see how it works from your end. Okay, if you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply. And if you love this content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family.